How to hide names on Snapchat notifications. First, launch Snapchat on your device. Next, tap on Avatar from the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Select notifications from My Account section. Now, turn off all the unnecessary notification options from here. After that, open the settings on your device. Now search for a lock screen option. Click on notifications from here. Now toggle the hide content option. This option will show which app the notification is from and will hide the name and message from the sender. Now this is only when you view it in the lock screen. When you are in the home screen, you will be able to see the message and the username. So the only way to hide the name on Snapchat is to turn off the notification off. Go to apps. Search for Snapchat app in here. Tap on notifications. After that, toggle the notification button. This applies to Android only. On iOS, you will be able to see the preview option in the notification. Simply toggle it to hide the name, and that's it.